You're in the middle of a high-stakes presentation at work, and suddenly you realize you aren't wearing any pants. Your heart races, the crowd gasps, and you're paralyzed with embarrassment. But then, you notice something strange. The clock on the wall says it's 47:92. Suddenly, it clicks. This isn't real. You're dreaming. In exactly 3 minutes, we're going to show you how to hijack your subconscious and turn your sleep into your own personal sandbox. Lucid dreaming occurs when your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logic and self-awareness, decides to wake up while the rest of your body stays in a state of REM paralysis. Normally, this region is dormant during sleep, which is why you don't question it when you're being chased by a neon blue dinosaur. But researchers have found that lucidity isn't just a random occurrence. It's a skill that can be trained through a biological reality check loop. To trigger lucidity, you must habituate your brain to question reality while you're awake. The most reliable method is the inhalation test. Try pinching your nose and breathing through it. In the waking world, you'll be met with resistance. But in a dream, your dream fingers don't actually affect your physical nose, allowing you to breathe freely. Other common glitches in the matrix include counting your fingers, where you might see 6 or 7, or looking at a digital clock, looking away, and looking back. If the time changes unpredictably, you've officially entered the dream state. If you're serious about lucidity, you need to master the wake back to bed method. Set an alarm for 6 hours after you fall asleep. This targets the longest REM cycle of the morning. When the alarm goes off, stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes. Read about lucid dreaming or record your previous dreams in a journal. By stimulating your conscious brain during a natural REM window, you increase the probability of spilling over into a lucid state when you return to sleep by over 60%. The most common mistake beginners make is getting too excited the moment they realize they're dreaming. This rush of adrenaline often forces the brain to wake up immediately. To stay grounded, use the spinning technique. If the dream starts to fade or blur, spin your dream body in circles or rub your palms together. These physical sensations feed information to your brain, tricking it into maintaining the dream environment. Lucid dreaming isn't just about flying or superpowers. It's a therapeutic tool for resolving anxiety and practicing real-world skills. So, are you ready to wake up inside your own head tonight? Try a reality check right now and let us know in the comments what happened. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 180-second briefings. Sweet dreams, literally.